Hey, Erica here. So I've been talking about stock videos for our brand, and I'm actually recording one today. Actually recorded a few today, like a lot today. My goal today was to make all the reels for April today, and I know it's like that's a challenge. Some of them are cute behind the scenes, some of them are a lot very well, most of them are informative, by the way. But yeah, I think as entrepreneurs, it could be stressful to think about making reels and TikToks and Pinterest pins and all that good stuff in real time. So why not set aside a day and knock it all out? And how we can quickly knock that out is by writing a list of things we can talk about without having to rehearse, going through a list of like frequently asked questions that people have DM'd you, clients have asked you, customers have asked you, answering those. That's a great way to start. That way it can cut through a lot of the customer service questions, back and forth DMs, and get straight to, helping them with whatever it is they need. Another thing that we can do is write a list of things we enjoy talking about. And then that'll get you more comfortable, and then you can just talk to the camera just like I am.